Wow, you're in the pirate ship.
Key, we're in Africa now. Can you see the elephant? Where is it? Where's the elephant?
Right there, it's a big elephant. Wow, look at the elephant.
Did you know that elephants are the largest living land animal? Elephants spend 16 hours per day eating. Elephants can live until they're 70 years old. Did you know? Even though elephants are so gigantic, they are afraid of bumblebees.
Hey, you see the lion? Where's the lion? Lion's there. Oh!
The lion's roaring. Let's stop, Key. Let's hide from the lion. Did you know a lion is a part of the cat family? Lions are the only cats that live in groups. A group of lions can also be called a pride, which can contain up to 30 lions depending on how much food and water is available. Female lions are the main hunters. While they're out looking for food, the males guards the pride's territory. Did you know a lion's roar can be heard up to 8 kilometers away? Lions use their wee to create a border to mark their territory. Key, can you see the giraffe? Where is it? Has it got a long neck? Where is it, Key?
Giraffe's over there.
Did you know that giraffes are the world's tallest living land animal? An adult male can grow to around 5.5 meters. That's taller than 3 adult humans. A giraffe's height is helpful for keeping a lookout for predators such as lions. Their excellent eyesight allows them to spot hungry bees from far away. Did you know that giraffes are herbivores? Herbivores mean animals that only eat plants. Giraffes use their long neck to reach the leaves and buds in the treetops. Key, what colour is a zebra?
Black and white.
Yes.
Where's the zebra? Over there. Wow, look at the big zebra.
Did you know every zebra has its own pattern of black and white stripes? Zebras have tails around 1/2 meter in length. Did you know zebra crossings are named after the black and white stripes of a zebra? Zebras stand up while sleeping. A zebra named Marty starred in Keon's favorite movie, which is Madagascar.
Can you see the sharks in the sea? Look at all the sharks. Point to the sharks. There's 3 sharks. Wow. Hey, can you see all the birds in the sky? Where's the bird? It's a big bird. Look, Key, the bird's coming in the boat.
Yes, let's see.
You see it? It's coming in the boat. Let's go. Let's hide. Let's hide from the bird.
I'm done.
Key, look in the air. Can you see the monkeys? Where's the monkeys?
Oh, a tree.
The monkeys in the tree.
Yeah. Eat bananas.
Can you see if the monkey will give you a banana?
Nhum 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 nhum. Nhum 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 nhum.
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Nhum 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 nhum.